What's up guys, Vince. Welcome to my channel. We're gonna be doing a bike check today. I just thought I want to share this video with you. It's a pretty cool bike, so let's get on to it.
Doing it all for the thrill. I'm doing it all for the thrill. I'm doing it all for the thrill. You know I'm loving it like you was real. Doing it, out for the thrill.
Yeah! Oh shit! Evil Insurgent, which is customized by a purple decal, Rock Shock's lyric fork. I think it's 160mm in travel, and it has an MRP progression control. I think it's the Pro, and it has a NV with a purple decal and an i9 hub with a 27.5 by 2.6 in front, i9 hub at the rear with the NV wheel set, and with a 2.5 rear, 27.5, and has a chain ring with an oval 32 teeth, XT components, Rock Shocks, reverb, rubber seat posts, WTB saddle, and of course with this purplish hand grip. It's pretty cool. Let's take it for a ride, for a quick spin, just to test it. Try this. I'm not really riding a flat pedal, so it's not technical anyway. See a lot difference with my bike, the Santa Cruz Bronson. So far, I don't know if on a technical trail, and I don't want to take to a technical trail. It's not my bike, so. Nice.